Yeah. How are you all doing today? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I thought I'd do a quick video here. It's fun doing videos. I'm sorry if you get motion sick or whatever from me rocking the recliner chair, but it's a stupid thing to come up. I'm a very sensitive monkey. It's just working out. I'm still young. I'm just trying to take good care of myself, mentally and physically wise. That's good because it gets awfully warm. Just really, all that stuff is really, that's in the city. Really going to work out. I get even warmer. I don't know. How are you all doing today? Probably asking for it. I mean, yeah, I got cool business cool, looking nice shoes, and so on. Well, kiss bars over there. What is it? It's sneakers and strawberries. It's just good for a day. Just like me. And working out what kinds of things is a good idea. I don't know what to say. I've been working hard, to really try to get a body suit, but in these three colors, it's brown, white, and black, it's hard. I don't know, maybe like $400, and, well, these goggles up there, they match, but I don't know, it just seems like they were gold color and not brown. I don't know, I'd have to work hard to save money for a brown pair of goggles. Oh, there's one more thing. This chair is kind of fast, but footballs and sandals, I like reclining after working a long, hard day. I like to recline back in the reclining chair and just take it easy. Yeah, I know I'm a lazy wolfie, but I don't care. My phone is blocking the light, so there we go. It's hard to do this holding one hand, but it's really good. It's mostly used to get down. We're very busy with that stuff to do today. So, with that being said, love you all. Ooh! Oops. We'll see you in another video whenever and wherever that will be. Okay, have a good day.